Hi, my name is Partha Kamal, and I'm the head of migrations at Atlassian. I'm excited to kick off the migrations-focused content for our Passport to Cloud series and share an introduction and overview of cloud migrations. First, I'll introduce the Passport to Cloud series and give you a preview of what we got planned. Then we'll talk about the benefits of migrating, the migration journey itself, and how Atlassian can help. Finally, we'll close with some guidance on how to get started. First, what is Passport to Cloud? Over the next few weeks, we'll be bringing in Atlassian experts, solution partners, and customers to discuss the topics that we've heard the most questions and feedback on. Whether you're considering migrating to cloud or have already decided to migrate and need more tactical advice and guidance, then this series is for you. We'll cover topics like cloud security, performance, what to do with apps, and even planning, testing, and executing a migration with some of our best cloud migration managers. Today, I'll give you an introduction and overview of cloud migrations. So first, let's set the stage. Why do 90% of new Atlassian customers choose cloud? Here are the top reasons that we believe cloud is a great place for our customers to land. First, time to value. Especially now, speed is of the essence. On cloud, customers can move fast to pivot and accelerate business decisions. They can flex capacity, ramp new projects, and onboard teams or departments without losing precious time. Businesses also need to be mindful of balancing costs and investments. On cloud, teams can focus their time and resources previously spent on infrastructure and maintenance and can leverage Atlassian's cloud security, compliance, and governance out of the box. And no one should sacrifice the future for the present. Our customers, just like us, have to compete for the future. They have to think ahead, innovate, and ship new products and services. Cloud customers get the latest capabilities and get access to the majority of Atlassian's most innovative product investments. At the product level, Jira Software Cloud empowers teams to drive work forward no matter where they are, via native desktop and mobile apps. We've also built machine learning capabilities that predict, autofill, and auto-update fields based on past behaviors in order to keep teams moving forward faster. From an ROI perspective, native automation allows cloud teams to automate repetitive manual work and processes across multiple projects without having to write a line of code. 86% of Jira Cloud admins we surveyed said that automation saved them at least 6 hours per month, if not more, in more complex workflows. Jira Software Cloud also integrates tightly with the tools that teams are already using, so they can work with speed, efficiency, and ship with quality. Next-Gen Projects introduces the option to delegate administration that empowers teams to design their own way of working without burdening administrators. Plus, team-level roadmaps on cloud helps everyone stay aligned, so they can keep driving innovation forward. With Confluence Cloud, you can go from idea to execution in an instant. The cloud editor comes with more features, shortcuts, and templates that makes it a breeze to quickly create great content. When you need to find something, Cloud's re-engineered search, powered by machine learning, analyzes what you've already looked at and predicts what you're looking for next. We've also made the admin experience in Confluence Cloud even more effective and productive by giving admins total control over their instance with troubleshooting options, bulk actions, and advanced space permissions not available in Server. You can also see site, space, and page analytics to track usage and make smarter decisions. Confluence Cloud also makes it easier to collaborate with anyone, inside or outside of your company. We've made it easier in cloud to bring external partners into the fold with the right security guardrails in place and make it easier to work with internal teams via improved commenting functionality. More and better cloud integrations means less context switching, so you can get work done more seamlessly. And in order to deliver on the promise of cloud, we offer an end-to-end spectrum of choices for all types of businesses, regardless of industry or geography. Whether teams want to self-serve or get high-touch help, we have a cloud solution that meets their needs. Now let's talk through the process of migrating to Atlassian's cloud products. No two companies are the same, so no two migrations are the same. But we've built a migrations framework based on best practices that's designed to be flexible enough for the needs of different teams. Let's take a look.
Think of migrating to cloud as if you're planning for a big trip. It'll take some prep work, but it will be worth it when you get to your destination. We've broken down our migration process into 6 phases: assess, plan, prep, test, migrate, and launch. Assessment is the most important step to help you understand where you are and what to expect on your journey, similar to deciding where to travel and what your trip budget is. First, audit your on-prem landscape across apps, security, and compliance needs. Consider whether or not you'll need a partner, and finally, determine if you'll want to centralize administration across all your Atlassian Cloud products with Atlassian Access. Next, planning. What do you need to get there? Take the time to set up your organization, verify your domain, assess the complexity of your data, assemble your team, and develop your migration plan. Once you've decided how you'll make the move happen, it's time to prep for the trip. Get your data, environments, and teams ready for the switch. We recommend socializing your plan early, having an app migration strategy, and cleaning up your self-hosted instance. You should also communicate the plan to end users and prepare training they'll need to hit the ground running in cloud. Next, testing. You know the feeling of breaking in new shoes? It's important to take them for a test spin before the long trek. This is why we recommend you back up your data, test the migration, build a runbook, and schedule a migration window that works best for your team. We're here to help, even on holidays and weekends. And now, the time has come for you to go on your trip. Start your migration by running the production migration, installing or migrating apps, and redirecting users to the new cloud sites. And finally, it's time to launch and explore. Once you've arrived at your destination, the first thing you do is take in the sites. After setting your on-prem instances to read-only, learn and explore your new cloud environment and check out the new features. As your team takes time to get settled, resources like Atlassian University, Community, and comprehensive product guides are here to help you. Get started on your Atlassian migration journey today and explore the new world of cloud.
As we mentioned, no two companies are the same. So there are a few different ways that we see customers taking the trip and migrating to cloud. First, a small portion of our migrating customers lift and shift, meaning they move everything from their on-prem to the cloud all in one go. What's more common, however, and what we typically recommend is an optimize and shift approach. This is an opportunity to clean up your on-prem instance before migrating and move only the most important projects, spaces, and apps over to the cloud. We've heard time and time again what a valuable exercise this is for our customers, and how that upfront work can help your company's bottom line, as well as make the migration process and adjusting to life in cloud much easier. Finally, another way to approach migration is through a phased approach. If there are certain projects or spaces that are not ready for cloud yet, we recommend that customers plan a phased migration. This is also quite a popular choice with our really big customers. But if that sounds overwhelming, there's no need to worry. We're here to help at every step of the way. Across Atlassian, our customers, solution partners, and the Atlassian ecosystem, migrating is a team sport that involves various stakeholders. During migration, you have access to the Atlassian support team, as well as our documentation, resources, and tooling. Which is why I'm really excited today to introduce the Atlassian Migration Program that provides step-by-step migration resources, tools, and support to guide you every step of the way. We have customized resources available depending on the size and complexity of your migration. If you're considering a migration or in the process of migrating, then this is for you. Here's an overview of the support, resources, and tools that are available as part of the Atlassian Migration Program. We'll go into more depth in later episodes of Passport to Cloud, but I want to highlight a few of these today. First, support. Our customer migration managers are focused only on migrations. When you submit a support ticket and select the migrations category, your ticket gets routed to this team so you get specialized and responsive support throughout your migration. Second, the Atlassian Migration Program links out to resources and documentation you'll need throughout your migration, including within our Atlassian documentation or our Atlassian Trust Center. Finally, tools. An important one to highlight here is the free cloud migration trial, which is available for all server and data center customers. Activating one of these licenses enables you to explore, test, and migrate to cloud over time without double paying. So you can explore our cloud products and compare standard or premium cloud plans at your own pace while you still have your on-prem license. We also continue to see success with our free Jira and Confluence cloud migration assistants, which give you the ability to migrate space by space or project by project to our cloud. It also includes easy-to-use app assessment capabilities. So you'll have great documentation, resources, and tooling at your fingertips. But we get it. Sometimes you just need to get in touch with someone. Here are 3 ways you can get in touch today. You could submit a support ticket, post on our Atlassian community, or if you decide you need a little more support during your migration, we're always happy to connect you to one of our Atlassian solution partners who have managed many successful migrations in their past. All you need to do is submit the partner referral form. With that, what can you do today to get started on your migration? A good first step is to activate the free cloud migration trial by visiting atlassian.com/cloud-migrations. This is a low-risk, free way to explore and evaluate cloud. And if you take anything away from this video, remember this. More and more of our customers are choosing cloud to improve time to value, innovation, and ROI. There's also no need to be intimidated by migrations. We're here to help and have introduced the Atlassian Migration Program to help you on your way. Planning is arguably the absolute most important part of the migrations journey. We find that teams who put in the work up front have easier and quicker migrations. As part of this phase, it's important to evaluate and plan for apps early. You can activate a free cloud migration trial today and begin exploring cloud and migrating your instances over time. So thanks for joining, and be sure to check back for more of our Passport to Cloud videos. Thank you.